Let me just start by saying, commitment made, commitment kept.
The ministry remains focused on a clear mandate, fueling growth through sustainable energy solutions, efficient transport systems, and seamless telecommunication services. To do this in the 2026-2027 financial year, the Ministry of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications has been allocated a recurrent budget of $25.7 billion and a capital budget of $942 million, with a revenue target of $796.48 million. The government is strengthening its commitment to energy sustainability with $911.14 million earmarked for key initiatives in this area. To maintain and improve the nation's electrical infrastructure, $208.63 million will be directed towards electrification services, an increase of $16.249 million over the previous fiscal year. This funding will support robust oversight by the government electrical regulator and ensure safe, reliable service delivery. $443.02 million has been allocated to help close the funding gap to assist vulnerable groups post-Hurricane Melissa. Funds were reallocated from the Rural Electrification Program post-hurricane.
Focuses on restoring safe electrical access, repairing homes, providing house wiring for regularization, and supporting GER recertification and offering small solar solutions to vulnerable groups. It is expected to benefit thousands of households across 7 parishes and 14 priority zones.
Despite that shift, the transition to cleaner, greener grid remains firmly on track. A total of $259.482 million has been set aside to support implementation of the National Energy Policy, which aims to achieve a 50% renewable energy share in Jamaica's electricity mix by 2030. Of that amount, $98.461 million will support the generation procurement entity. In the area of transport management and services, $12.24 billion has been allocated. This includes projected earnings of $40.25 million from monitoring fees under the Jamaica North-South Highway Project Concession Agreement. To enhance road safety, the government has committed $1.13 billion to the operations of the Island Traffic Authority and to provide a subsidy to the National Road Safety Council. The Island Traffic Authority remains responsible for vehicle examinations to determine roadworthiness, as well as the testing of applicants for driver's licenses. Meanwhile, $830 million has been allocated to maritime transport management. Of that sum, the Maritime Authority of Jamaica MAJ is projected to generate $355.4 million from ship registration, certification of seafarers, and the licensing and inspection of small vessels to fund its operations. And now to higher levels. Air Transport Management has been allocated $8.51 billion. The Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority has responsibility for regulating air navigation services as well as air safety, and with that, the entity is expected to earn $149.831 million to help offset its operating expenses.
The government of Jamaica has long understood the power of connectivity as a promoter for societal advancement. In a world where this digital landscape evolves at an unprecedented pace.
And so, $1.04 billion has been allocated to modernize the government's ICT governance framework. Included in the allocation is $149 million for ICT policy and regulation and $900 million for ICT propagation. Over on the capital side, the Energy Management and Efficiency Program has received a further extension from January 2026 to July 2027. The project has received a further injection of $942 million. It is being funded by the European Union, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the Japan International Cooperation Agency. For this fiscal year, it is anticipated that the project will see the completion of the retrofitting of air conditioning systems and lighting at 4 hospitals, complete energy-efficient lighting retrofits at 50 health, education, and public agency buildings, as well as the completion of the technical review of proposed reformulated GOJ license to the nationwide electricity provider. From expanding renewable energy initiatives to enhancing road safety, maritime regulation, and aviation oversight, the Ministry of Energy, Transport, and Telecommunications 2026-2027 budget reflects a coordinated push towards modernization and sustainability.